There is a trick you can use to find out the atomic mass of any element within the first 20 elements. The trick is simple. If the atomic number is even, just multiply it by 2 and you get the mass number. Remember, Z is atomic number, A is mass number. But if the atomic number is odd, multiply by 2 and add 1 to it. You will get the mass number. Exceptions to this rule are beryllium, nitrogen, chlorine, and argon. And I can summarize these 4 as Ben Clear. So these are the exceptions. In the case of hydrogen, the atomic number is 1. Multiply it by 2 and remove 1. This is a special case. So let's start. 1 times 2 is 2. Minus 1 is 1. Helium is an even number. So we multiply by 2. 2 times 2 is going to be 4. Lithium, the atomic number is 3. Odd number. We multiply by 2 and add 1. 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1, 7. Beryllium is an exceptional case, so we leave it. Boron is 5, and 5 is an odd number. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 1, 11. Carbon is 6, and 6 is an even number, so multiply 6 by 2. The mass number of carbon is 12. Nitrogen is an exceptional case. 8 is an even number. We multiply by 2, and we get 16. Mass number of oxygen is 16. Fluorine, 9. 9 is an odd number, and that is 9 times 2, 18, plus 1, 19. Neon, the atomic number is 10, and 10 is an even number. So we just multiply by 2. Sodium, 11 is an odd number. You multiply by 2 and add 1. 11 times 2 is 22, plus 1, 23. Magnesium, 12. 12 is an even number. So 12 times 2 is 24. 24 is the mass number of magnesium. Aluminium, 13. 13 is an odd number. So we multiply by 2 and add 1. 13 times 2 is 26, plus 1, 27. So 27 is the mass number of aluminium. Silicon has the atomic number of 14, and 14 is an even number. We multiply by 2, and we have 28. Sulfur, the atomic number is 16, and 16 is an even number. So we multiply by 2 to get the mass number. 16 times 2 is 32. 32 is the mass number of sulfur. Chlorine is an exceptional case, so we leave it. Argon is also an exceptional case. Potassium has 19, and 19 is an odd number. So we multiply by 2 and add 1 to get the atomic mass. 19 times 2 is 38, plus 1, that is 39. Calcium, 20. 20 is an even number, so you multiply by 2 and you get 40. For the exceptional cases, beryllium, the mass number is gotten by multiplying this by 2 and adding 1. This disobeys the general rule because 4 is an even number. We multiply by 2 to get 8, but you still add 1 to make it 9. Nitrogen, 7 is an odd number. So instead of multiplying by 2 and adding 1, you just multiply by 2. So 7 times 2 is 14. Chlorine, 17 is an odd number, but 17 times 2 is 34. You add 1, making it 35. Yet, the mass number of chlorine is 35.5. Argon, 18 is an even number. So instead of multiplying by 2 to get 36, the mass number of argon is not 36, it's actually 39.9. If you found this video useful, share it as wide as possible. Click on follow and subscription, and see you in our next video. Bye.